So, welcome to Classroom Cloud, our next generation classroom instruction, monitoring and e-safety solution. Classroom Cloud has two core components. The first is providing that real-time engagement for a teacher and learners within the classroom, or when needed, online and remote, allowing the teacher to see student screens, interact with them, present from their screen, sharing their desktop and audio streams, capturing real-time assessments through surveys of how children are doing, fostering engagement alongside that by having group chats and peer-to-peer dialogue, wrapping around that core understanding of what a child's doing, and of course key as part of that, getting the most impact and pace within the lessons, aligning that with controls over what websites and applications a child can use during the lesson, and quickly launching websites, for example, to make sure that everybody's on point. Wrapped around Classroom Cloud is that simplicity, populating our class lists, either through lists of devices, automatically through School Data Sync or Google Classroom, or beyond, and having that additional flexibility to make the solution simple and easy for staff to access and use within minutes. Alongside that, and that flexibility to provide that virtual classroom and instruction, no matter where the students and teacher might be, is also the obligation and requirement to keep our learners safe. So nicely aligned alongside that is real-time monitoring of keywords typed or searched for by the students, again, whether they're in the classroom or working from home. What Classroom Cloud does differently is, rather than simply monitoring those keywords, it uses contextual intelligence to pull together and identify the core risks that might be presented for learners. So it will look at things like the child in question, their previous history of searches on a similar topic, whether they were supervised in the classroom or in a library after school hours, and a range of other factors to make sure that we can immediately alert staff of a child that may be at potentially greater risk immediately for topics like self-harm and suicide, but equally build a word cloud and that intelligence that allows the school to see trending topics by age-appropriate cohorts so that they can use that to feed into guidance and school assemblies, for example. As you'd expect, we also wrap around that the ability for a child to be proactive and report their concerns, either to a trusted member of staff or to access a pre-populated list of approved resources for children where they can access online support and advice. Pull them together, and Classroom Cloud provides the most flexible and easy to use classroom instruction tool to use in your school, but with that added insurance that should you need to go online or remote, you can. And alongside that, a seamless tool to keep all of our learners safe online. Wrap them together, and that's the reason why Classroom Cloud is now the preferred solution in thousands of schools and districts around the world. So please, take a few minutes out and give it a go.